In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a stacked bar chart in Tableau. Whether you're a data analyst or just someone who loves exploring data, a stacked bar chart is a fantastic way to visualize and compare the parts of a whole across different categories. Let's dive in and take this step by step, making sure you can easily follow along and create your own meaningful visualizations. First things first, you'll need to open your Tableau application. Once you have it up and running, you'll want to start by selecting Text File from the available options. Locate your data file on your computer, specifically a CSV file, and open it. This is where your data resides, and integrating it properly is fundamental for your visualization. Once your data file is uploaded, you should click on New Worksheet. This will be your workspace where all the magic happens. Now, assuming we're working with sales data, we'll focus on two main options that will enhance our stacked bar chart. These involve dragging and dropping specific fields into certain sections. To start, drag a table, such as order date, into the columns field. This lays out your data across a timeline or another kind of categorical field. Next, take measure names and drag it onto the colors mark in the marks card. This step will differentiate your data using various colors, which makes it easy to distinguish between different values. Now, it's time to filter the data. Click on the drop-down menu and select Filter. Then, click None to unselect all the current filters. This helps in resetting any predefined filters that might affect your current visualization. After that, check both Profit and Sales and go ahead and click OK. This action refines your data set to focus on the aspects you are interested in evaluating. Moving forward, drag measure values into the rows field. By doing this, you'll be populating your rows with the actual data points corresponding to the measures you've selected, which in our case include profit and sales. Now, navigate to the marks card and change Automatic to Bar Chart. This ensures that your data will be represented in a stacked bar chart format. For an alternative approach, you can also drag the order date into the color marks to add another dimension to your chart. You can meet similar steps by dragging measure names to the columns field again. Follow this by selecting Filter from the drop-down and clicking None to clear any previous selections. As before, select Profit and Sales and click OK. Finally, drag measure values to the rows field once more. With these steps, you'll have a beautifully structured stacked bar chart ready for analysis. And there you have it. Your stacked bar chart in Tableau is now complete, allowing you to visually interpret your data in a meaningful and effective way. Happy data analyzing!